Namaste. We'll do some free hand exercises, but the important thing in these free hand exercises is the breath, how we breathe. So keep your focus on your breath. There are many different exercises that I'll show you. The order, the sequence of the exercises is less important. What is more important is how we breathe. So the tongue stays at the roof of the mouth, touching gently touching the roof. Mouth stays closed. The breathing happens only through the nose, nothing in the mouth. So tongue is touching and you're breathing through the nose. One thing. Number two, the belly has to be very relaxed. Find deeper and still deeper levels of relaxation as far as the belly is concerned.